In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble our STM-44NT swivel table mount on a TV. Place the 6 anti-slip pads on the base of the mount, distributing them as shown in the image. Fix the mast to the base using the 3 plastic washers, 3 of the 7 metal washers and the 3 screws. Tighten the screws using the Allen key provided. Next, we will proceed to fix the TV plate to the mast. To do this, we must use the remaining 4 metal washers and the 4 screws. Tighten the screws using the Allen key supplied. We fix the TV bars to the TV using the washers and the appropriate screws and the spacers according to your TV model. Finally, we fit the TV bars to the TV plate and then lock the position using the plate and a screw. This bracket allows installation of TVs from 32 to 55 inches. It is compatible with the following VESA or a combination of them. It allows a horizontal swivel angle of ±35 degrees and has 3 height adjustment positions. It incorporates a cable holder which allows the cables to be tucked away and hidden behind the bracket.